Okay, everyone. So, ang amo namili dahil na application is ang Quiz App. So, ang Quiz App namo is ang amo lang main goal diri is maka-edit delete sa mga questions para yung makatabang niya sa mga students or pwede po gamitin sa mga professors. Now, sa first namo na function is siyempre may home na dashboard. So, diri sa home is makita di mo diri tanan ang imong gi-create na quiz.
Karon na
And
kaya
ang mga
overlay niya.
kuan mo diri mga nahimo na quiz na sa panduha is may na po may add na quiz na dashboard. Now diri sa add na quiz is diri na ka create og mga new quiz set. So kunwari mag-create ka for the subject sa math nga na mag-create ka diri. Next is syempre maka-edit sad kung di na kinahanglan. And lastly is napod may take quiz para ma-practice nimo imong kaugalingon.
So, good day everyone. Here I will discuss the one feature of our quiz app system UI design. So first, what was inside our UI quiz app? So first, you will see here the add question dashboard where an add question of the subject for me is and after that, our dashboard can also here you can add the correct answer so that the system will know it's the correct answer, and it will think logically according to the user, according to the implementator. And here we go. And here in the and after you make the quiz, you can also edit it, and you can also delete it if you want, and then save. So that after that, you will be directly put into the home page where you can see the quiz set, and that's all.
So, if the army successfully created the quiz set, the users must go to take quiz, and pwede ka din magpili para na questions sa million or math ba or science or other option na kabutangan. So, if the army successfully created the quiz set, the users must go to take quiz, and pwede ka din magpili para na questions sa million or math ba or science or other option na kabutangan to may set. So to sum up guys, our website is after you take the quiz, it will be recorded and it will be displayed in the dashboard on what percentage are you in. Like for example, your score is 1/5, it will display there nakamabubo or nakamataas